Oh. Hey. What's up? How are you? Another day. Kaya pa ba? You've made it. Dapat magiging proud ka sa sarili mo. You really should. And I'm very, very proud of you. It's been a long journey. And I know you got a lot going on. Don't stop. Huwag kang sumuko. Layo ng nararating natin. Layo ng nararating mo. Laban lang. Alam ko, kayang-kaya mo yan. Alam ko, may ibubuga ka pa. Dami ng mga malalaking challenges na nalagpasan mo dati. Ngayon ka pa ba susuko? Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Dudulo rin tayo.